Welcome. If you're looking to update your gender on Roblox using the website on your PC, this guide will walk you through each step with the latest update. Whether you're new to Roblox or just want to refresh your profile, changing your gender setting is quick and easy. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the official Roblox website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is where you'll find your account settings. Click on the gear icon to open a drop-down menu, then select Settings from the options that appear. This will take you directly to your account management page. On the Settings page, you'll see several tabs on the left side. Click on Account Info. This section contains all your personal account details, including your display name, email, and gender settings. Scroll down until you find the Gender section. Here, you'll see the available options. Roblox currently offers two choices, male and female. Simply click on the icon that best represents how you want your account to appear. Remember, this change only affects your account information and not your avatar's appearance. Customizing your avatar's look is a separate process. After you've selected your preferred gender, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the page and click it. Your new gender setting will be updated immediately, and you can continue exploring or customizing other aspects of your Roblox profile. That's all there is to it. Updating your gender on Roblox is a simple way to personalize your account and make your profile feel more like you. If you ever want to change it again, just follow these same steps. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your time on Roblox.